I thought I'd try to make a cane. I've never made a cane before. This one I carved. I glued two boards together, and then I glued two more boards together for the handle. You can see where I put that joint right there in the corner of the cane. I thought about throwing a dowel in there, but I think it'll be all right. That's a solid joint. I mean, it was snug and there was plenty of glue in there and it was clamped tight. But that handle, I think, looks really nice. Let me know what you think. I've used one of those Kutzall like carving discs, and they work pretty good. I mean, that knot there looks like it could be some concern, but since there's two boards joined together, I think it will be okay. You can see there's a good side there, and then there's a knot side, but we'll see. I think it came out pretty good all together. Tell me if you've ever made a cane before. I think that would work. And if there arose a situation where you needed self-defense, I think this would do the job.